Another day, another motor vlog with our life in the Philippines. So, this is kind of a continuation of a previous vlog I did from Clark and into Angeles via Friendship. So we're gonna go down this way today and check out downtown Angeles. So stay on for the ride and we go from there. Also today I am trying something that I've never done before as far as the video, and that is to upload what they call a multi-language video. So I'm just trying, and we'll see by the time I upload it if it will work, but hopefully it does. So basically, you all know I'm Swedish. I got a little bit of followers in Sweden, and I also know family, friends, and everybody, they watch the videos and they do it in English. However, some people like my mother and my father, they're still alive in their late 80s, early 90s almost. I think my dad is turning 90 this year. So I will do this as a test, and if it works, I will continue to try to do multi-language videos. That way the channel actually has a ability to have two languages, and you should find that, by the way. If you want to hear how Swedish sounds, go to the settings button on the video player here in YouTube and select the Swedish language. Okay, so now enough of that. We are coming in here to the right. Inside here is Nepo Mall, and we are heading down this way. And for those of you who wants to maybe follow this on a Google map or something, could be interesting. We are on Santo Rosario Street, and that takes us into towards downtown. Once we get down here a little ways, the street turns into a one-way, so you have to kind of go around this area right here at the bridge coming up right here. We have to go down this street, and don't know what this street is called, but it could be a continuation of the street we were on. And we're coming up here to Miranda Street and going down that way until, yeah, this is Miranda Street. So we're coming up here. So we're gonna head down toward the little roundabout in downtown Angeles, down by Rizal Street. And today I'm gonna go straight shot down Henson, and but boy, there's a lot of people, I'm telling you. Sometimes you don't get the feeling that there is a schismis going on, but it is. The interesting part though is majority of people, you see them, as you can see as you walk by, they're all wearing their masks and all that. So try to get by this van here. I'll cut him. All right, so this street here is taking us down to the actual roundabout. Jollibee, you have I think what do you call it, Kentucky Fried, all kinds of things down there, Pure Gold, and also the area of the public market here in the Philippines. You know, if you go down, you have Pure Gold on the right there. You have Kentucky Fried right here. We're passing it, and now we're on Henson. I go up here. I have my dentist right there. We just passed him. I go there when I need some dental work done. If you're a foreigner, you're here. His clinic does pretty good job. And I was recommended actually by one of the sari store owner. It's his son-in-law, and he showed me the work he had done on him, and I decided to, okay, let's give the guy a call. Down here on Henson Street, you have several furniture stores and a lot of commerce going on. You see all these small little ukai stores, whatever, and furniture. Interesting to me is the Filipino-made bamboo furniture and that kind of stuff. It's kind of a pretty cool how they make them, and they do pretty good. And we just passed this. That's where I go, Motor Trade. I do my motorcycle service there. That's where I actually bought the motorcycle. So I take it there for the general service that needs to be followed due to the warranty program. But I am now officially outside that. I had the bike for more than 3 years, so no more warranties. But that's okay. That motorcycle I have, it's a Kawasaki Avenger, 220 cc. I'm stumbling on my words there. And it has never once given me a trouble, except once when we went to Mariveles, and we got up on some really dirty, dusty, red dirt dust road, and somehow that dust got into my clutch wire, and a couple of weeks down the road, it just seized up and broke the wire. And I ended up one night, I was on my way home. We had been out for dinner, and we were driving home, and I ended up having no clutch in the middle of going home. But we made that one too. So it takes a little learning to drive and get it in neutral quick enough to stop when you need to stop. But we made it home, so that was a good thing. And we got lucky today. It's been overcast. It looks like now towards the evening the clouds are breaking up. You can see a little bit blue coming through. But we got lucky. We have actually not had any rain to speak of since I think it was Christmas Day. We had the last rain. It rained Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and after that, nothing. All right, so let's see if we can push ourselves in here. All right, the jeepneys are sometimes don't paying attention to you, so we gotta pay attention to them so we don't end up in a trouble. All right, this is the what is called Abacan River Bridge, and on the other side of that you see the sign for Robinson Mall on the left, and we're coming in to Balibago. For those of you who have been here, you know that very well, and for those of you who have never been here, now we are in a area called Balibago. Barangay Balibago is down a little further, and we feel now that the traffic is tightening up a little bit, getting a little jammed up, because we're getting into the afternoon and people are going home. But again, here you see a lot of people out and walking around. Alright, so where is this guy going? Sometimes they don't signal, and you gotta be careful hanging in there. Alright, so down here to the right, coming up, let's see, right here to the right, in here to the right on this low street, there you have my friends that enjoy blues, and they are playing every night, but don't know exactly when they're open, but normally I think they're open, but there's curfews and limitations, how many can come in and that kind of stuff, but you can go and check it out. I think they're opening around 5 or 6 or 7 maybe, so don't go there before 7, but I think they're open between 7 and 10 or something like that. Go and have them checked out for sure, and enjoy the music that they are playing. Really good musicians. Manny is a really good guitarist, so it's fun and enjoyable. Sometimes go there, maybe have a cold one. I can't really wait for some restrictions to go away so we could start traveling again. I start feeling like I'm getting a little tired of sitting home, and there's places to see, places to go, and I would love to have that opportunity while I'm still in good health, and sitting here doesn't make the health very well. So when you're gaining weight, you're doing all kinds of stupid things during this stupid Christmas. So anyway, down here to the left, we just passed the walking street, and we have the main road going up here to Andoer right here. To Marquee Mall. And we are heading into Dao, and we're gonna do that. And this is kind of the end of this slow ride, and I want to take the opportunity to say thank you for watching. God bless. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to come and see us on our live feeds every Sunday at 9:15 a.m. here in the Philippines, and also on Saturday night in United States, 8:15 Eastern Standard Time. You take care of yourself, your family, and everybody else, and hope everybody stays safe. And we'll see you again here at the next video. God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.